Have you ever tasted popcorn so delicious that everyone immediately asks for the recipe? If not, you're about to discover a fun and incredibly flavorful twist on traditional popcorn that might become your new favorite snack. Once you try it, don't be surprised if your family starts requesting it again and again. To get started, slice 250 grams of pepperoni into thin, even rounds. This will help the pepperoni cook evenly and release its rich, smoky flavor. Now place a large pan over medium heat. Add a light drizzle of oil along with 1 tablespoon of butter. Stir gently until the butter is completely melted and combined with the oil. This creates the perfect base for a rich, buttery popcorn. Next, add the sliced pepperoni to the pan. Cook it for a few minutes, stirring occasionally, until the slices become beautifully golden and slightly crispy. As they cook, they'll release flavorful oils that will coat every bite of popcorn. And while that's cooking, I'd love to know, what city are you watching from today? Leave your city in the comments because I love giving shout-outs to our amazing viewers. Today's special hug goes to Susan Miller from Chicago, Illinois. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our recipes. Your comments truly make our day. Now it's time for the popcorn. Add 1 cup of popcorn kernels directly into the pan with the cooked pepperoni. Stir everything well so the kernels are evenly coated with all that delicious buttery pepperoni flavor as soon as the first kernels begin to pop. Cover the pan with a lid, reduce the heat to low, and let the popcorn pop completely. Gently shake the pan every few seconds to prevent burning and to make sure every kernel has a chance to pop. The amazing aroma filling your kitchen at this point is a sign that something truly delicious is on the way. Once the popping slows down, turn off the heat and carefully transfer the popcorn to a large serving bowl. Finish by adding salt to taste. Then toss everything together until the seasoning is evenly distributed. The result is crispy, buttery popcorn with a savory pepperoni flavor that's perfect for movie nights, game days, parties, or simply enjoying as a special homemade snack. If you decide to make this recipe, come back and tell me how it turned out. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you have your own unique popcorn recipe, share it in the comments. I always enjoy discovering new ideas from our community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next recipe.